In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to add a domain to Practice Better so you can easily customize your practice's online presence. Stick with me to the end because, while Practice Better has its benefits, I'll also share a better alternative with an extended free trial that might suit your needs even more. Let's dive straight in. First thing you'll want to do is log into your Practice Better account. Once you're in, head to the Settings section. This is where all your customization options live, including adding a custom domain to make your practice stand out with a professional URL. Next thing, click on Account Settings and look for the Branding tab. Under this section, you'll find the option to add your custom domain. This is where the magic happens. Practice Better allows you to use your own domain, which gives your clients a much more branded experience. Now, you'll need to point your domain to Practice Better's servers. This can be done by updating your domain's DNS records. You'll need to log into your domain registrar's website, whether it's GoDaddy, Namecheap, or something else, and find the DNS settings for your domain. You'll need to add a name record pointing to Practice Better's custom domain server. If you're not familiar with DNS settings, don't worry, it's straightforward and Practice Better offers detailed instructions on how to do this. Once that's done, head back to Practice Better, click Save, and you should see your domain connected. If it's not working right away, don't panic. DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate. The fourth thing to keep in mind is that Practice Better also lets you customize your subdomain to make the transition even easier. For example, instead of using the default Practice Better URL, you can create a custom subdomain like clients, yourdomain.com, which will keep everything neat and branded for your clients. One thing I've found with Practice Better is that while the domain feature is pretty useful, it's not as seamless as some might expect. Especially if you're new to DNS settings, this could be a frustrating part of setting up your practice. And if you're someone who doesn't want to get too technical, this can feel like a roadblock. So here's where it gets interesting. While Practice Better does a good job with domain integration, there are other platforms that do this more efficiently with fewer steps, especially for those who aren't as tech-savvy. Now, if you're looking for an even easier and more streamlined option, I highly recommend checking out Alternative Software. It allows you to add a custom domain just as easily, and even offers a more intuitive interface. Plus, they have a better solution for client booking and communication, which I think you'll love. In summary, while Practice Better has a solid domain integration feature, there are other options out there that offer even more user-friendly experiences and additional perks. Check out the exclusive offer for Alternative Software through our link below to get the best deal and extended trial. Don't forget to explore the other tools mentioned in the description. Happy practicing, and see you in the next video.